A null hypothesis is options are hypothesis of no difference, hypothesis that assigns value of 0 to the variable, hypothesis of zero significance, and hypothesis which can neither be proved nor disproved. In Kannada, ಶೂನ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಎಂದರೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವಿಲ್ಲದಿರುವ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ, ಶೂನ್ಯದ ಮೌಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಸಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ, ಶೂನ್ಯ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ, ಸಾಬೀತುಪಡಿಸದ ಅಥವಾ ನಿರಾಕರಿಸದ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವಿಲ್ಲದಿರುವ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ is the right answer. A null hypothesis is a statement that there is no difference or no relationship between variables being studied. It assumes that any observed effect is due to chance, not because of a real difference. And next, which is the largest TV experiment of India? Options are GramSat, Jabua JDCP, KEDA Communication Project, and SITE means SITE. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತದ ಅತಿದೊಡ್ಡ ಟಿವಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಯಾವುದು? ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ಯಾಟ್, ಜಬುವಾ JDCP, KEDA Communication Project, and SITE. The right answer for this question is option D, SITE. SITE means, and full form, Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. It was the largest television experiment in India, launched by jointly ISRO and NASA in 1975 and 1976.